How to create ChatGPT account for student. Well, hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video on Official Help Desk. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily create a ChatGPT account for student. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first step is to open any web browser. In the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. Head over to the very first link. As we're looking forward on how to create an account, you need to click on sign up. It will take you to the page where you can create your account for ChatGPT. So first of all, here you need to enter your email address. And then click on continue. Now you need to create one password for your ChatGPT account. Once you are done, click on continue. The verification mail has been sent to your email address. You need to move into your Gmail account and verify your email address. Once it is verified, here you need to enter your first name and your last name for your ChatGPT account. And once you are done, click on continue. Now you need to enter your phone number. And then click on send code. You'll be receiving one verification code on your phone number. You need to enter that code here. So there you go, the ChatGPT account for student has been created successfully. Now here in this section you can enter any types of question relating to your academics. So let me ask one question. So there you can see that it will start to respond to your question. It will quickly access the information to you. So this much for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to create ChatGPT account for student. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.